In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add service area to a Facebook business page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill in so that customers can clearly see what you offer and where you operate. First, open Facebook on your computer and go to your business page. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page, otherwise you won't see the editing options we're about to use. Once your page has loaded, look for the menu on the left or near the top of the page and find the section labeled About. Go ahead and click on About. This is where all the key details about your business live, like your contact info, hours, and location. On the About page, look for an option called Services. This is the area Facebook gives you to list what you actually do for your customers. Click on Services to open that section. You'll now see a page dedicated to your business offerings. Within the Services section, find and click on Specialties and Services. This is where you can start defining the different types of services you provide, which can also hint at your service area. Clicking this will open up fields you can edit. Next, click into the field that lets you add a specialty or service. Type in a clear, simple name that describes what you offer. For example, you might write home cleaning, plumbing services, or local delivery. Keep it short, but specific enough that someone browsing your page instantly understands it. Just below that, click into the description field to add more detail. Here, you can explain what's included in that service and mention your service area. For instance, you could say something like, "We provide home cleaning services in the downtown and surrounding neighborhoods," or "available to clients within a 20-mile radius." This is a great place to clarify where you operate, especially if you travel to your customers. If you have more than one type of service, click on Add a Specialty or Service and repeat the same process. Add a clear name, then a helpful description for each one, including any important details about locations or coverage areas. Take your time here. The more accurate and informative your services list is, the easier it is for potential customers to decide to contact you. When you're happy with everything you've added or updated, look for the Save button and click on Save. This will publish your services and descriptions to your Facebook business page so visitors can see them right away.